Monster wedge!
Hey, you could get a tornado anywhere along that shear zone, probably. Got a great picture. We'll let it get a little closer.
It's not going anywhere.
You think it's coming toward us?
Yeah.
Are we sure it's coming toward us, though?
Yes.
Okay.
It's the exact same spot.
Just right at us.
Get in the car! Use now, got the broken one!
So moving left to right, might be weakening.
Yes. Yeah.
Still a ways away.
Yeah.
Oh, that was
Alright, that was the biggest one I've seen yet.
Oh yeah, they're getting bigger. Grapefruit. Oh! Oh man, that is huge! Look at this!
Oh my god! Alright, we're all backing. Oh my god!
Almost there. Almost. You got it. You're doing good. Doing good. Okay, you got it. Oh! Keep going. Oh! Oh! Crack to the left. Good job. Come on, Volvo, let's pull over here. Probably deploy just northeast of it up here. Maybe the top of that next hill even.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. It still looks amazing. Yeah. It is still really ripping in there on the right side.
Yep.
All right, can you stop here so I turn on the 360?
Yeah.
You got it with the live?
Yep, I got it with the live.
Tornado on the ground here.
Let's go to the next one and deploy.
Okay.
Deploy on this.
Okay. Tornado. All over it. Yeah, so launch this thing. Got it. Keep going there. Nice.
Oh, it's fine.
You can go by him though to the right if you need to. Nice. Keep going. Gotta get through the rain as we can.
Gotta be right here, isn't it?
Or keep going, you got it.
There it is.
It's gonna drift a little south of the road.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's defrost. See if we can get on the backside. It's right above us. You can stop right here if you want. Right in front of us. Just left.
It's right here.
Yep.
Debris.
Right underneath it. It's on the ground right in front of us. Look. Get ready to turn around. You do it right on the other side of that fence if you need to, but let's see if we can get the debris cloud going by. It's going just south of us. All right, let's turn around.
It should be right here.
Yeah, right up. See it? Right there. Turn on the field out there. You turn around and face forward, and then you can shoot straight up. There you go. You turn around fully, you think?
Yep.
I'm all over it. Beautiful. There you go. Right here's good. It's on the ground down there. See
right
it?
There, yep. There it is. Look.
Oh yeah.
Vorticing.
Oh yeah.
There it is. Oh yeah. Above the fence.
Oh, that thing is thick. Above it. It should get better contrast in the backside here.
There it is.
Oh yeah.